Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can play solo seasons against CPU in Ultimate Team in College Football 27. It's pretty easy. All you gotta do, simply open your Ultimate Team, and once you do that, you need to go to solos, play against the CPU, select the option, and once you do that, you should be able to see the game modes. So whichever you would like to play, simply select that. You have freshman season, varsity season, all American season. So whichever you like, simply highlight that. You have a couple of options, like either you can simply start it, or you can check the lineup. You can basically able to edit your lineup, create new lineup. It is up to you. As well as you can also go and check rewards, like what you will get in the end of event, and you can check objective progress, results, all that good stuff. Now to play this, simply press A on Xbox or cross on PlayStation and you'll able to play it. So yeah guys, that's it. This is exactly how you'll able to play against CPU in Ultimate Team in College Football 27. Hope this would help you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.